I just want to show you the dried result. It's dried and varnished, and it's looking just as gorgeous, I think, as when it was first painted. Got those beautiful colours. Got the flash on, it helps to show the colours up. This painting has sold to an absolutely lovely lady in America. So I'll be posting this shortly, as in posting it in the mail. Just love this painting. I think this is the best one I've done. It's just so pretty. So happy with it. Anyway, just thought you guys might want to see the dried result. And yeah, it's had a bit of the Liquitex gloss varnish. This time I mixed it with a bit of water, watered it down a bit. Started off with a sponge wrapped in a soft cloth, but then changed it to just a soft cloth and did it in lots of circular motions, and then let it dry, and then did another few coats. Doing it when it's diluted with the water enables you to do a few more coats without it ending up looking too plasticky. So yeah, really happy with this. Those colours, the turquoise and that purple, I think that must be their darks, the same purple. They just go so well together. And they mix with the gold. These beautiful multicoloured cells, which I think look like boulders. I think this looks like a cave. I call this magical mystery cave. Anyway, just thought you might want to see it. Anyway, just thought I'd share this with you before I send it off in the mail. I'm going to have it scanned. I'm going to scan it. I'm going to take it somewhere where they can give me a good quality scan of it, and then I might be able to do some prints later and maybe make them into cards and things, which should be fun. Alright, thanks heaps for watching, and I'll be doing another painting soon. Okay, catch you later. Bye.